With Boar's Head, enjoying fresh sliced, all-natural foods is pure simplicity. Presenting Boar's Head Simplicity, all-natural and organic meats and cheeses. Our collection of real foods with remarkable flavor. In our kitchen, simple ingredients don't mean simple taste. Expertly crafted foods burst with the extraordinary richness that you can only get from Boar's Head. Made with the same unwavering standards that we've promised since 1905. All natural and organic foods from the Boar's Head family to yours. For the recipes you love and the people you love to share them with. For fresh sliced, all natural foods, look to the most trusted brand in the deli, Boar's Head.